how you can create an Apple account on iPhone without a phone number. Let's get started. First, open Settings, then tap on Apple Account. After that, tap on the Don't Have an Apple Account option. Then select your age range and enter your name and date of birth. Next, enter your email address. Make sure you have already created a Gmail account. If not, I'll make a separate video on that. The link is in the description. After that, tap Continue. Enter your password and verify the password. Then tap Continue again. Now enter a demo number that does not receive an OTP. Let's say I entered this number. Then press Continue. After that, tap Did not receive a code. Then tap Verify Later. And press Continue. Tap Agree. And as you can see, the Apple account has been created without a phone number. Now let's verify the Apple account through email. You can skip this process if you want. Then tap on Apple account and verify the email address. Tap Send Code. Now you will receive an OTP. Simply paste the OTP here. As you can see, the Apple account has been created successfully without a phone number. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.